Hey guys, welcome to another video. And Samsung is planning to announce two new tablet devices, the Galaxy Tab S7 and the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. We have been hearing about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 series for the past couple of months now, and today we have got our first look at the Korean company upcoming tablet courtesy to OnLeaks, who have shared a CAD render of the Galaxy Tab S7 in partnership with a French blog. The Galaxy Tab S7 does not look like all the different from its predecessor, the Galaxy Tab S6, and the Galaxy Tab S7 is rumored to come in two sizes, 11-inch and 12.4-inch. According to reliable tipster Ice Universe, the upcoming Galaxy Tab S7 tablet will get 120Hz of a refresh screen on both the tablet. Knowing the Galaxy Tab S7 track record, we are pretty sure that the Tab S7 lineup will feature an AMOLED panel. The CAD rendered images which are showing right now has an 11-inch of a model with OnLeaks claims to have 7.7mm with a camera bump. On the right side of the screen is the selfie camera, and around the back we got a dual camera setup aligned vertically in top left corner with a flash which might be replaced with a third camera. We will have to wait for more details to emerge from separate sources to be certain. Like the Galaxy Tab S6, the Galaxy Tab S7, who has grooved below the rear camera for the S Pen stylus, and the Samsung logo which was placed in the center on the Tab S6 is moved below the S Pen groove on the Tab S7. On the right side of the Tab S7 is a micro SD card slot, volume rocker and the power button which appears to have a fingerprint reader embedded. And that is surprising because since the Tab S6 was coming with an in-display solution, so it was expected that we might see a Tab S7 will be coming with the same in-display fingerprint scanner. The USB-C port is located at the bottom of the Tab S7, but you don't get the 3.5mm headphone jack. A new certification listing on Chinese 3C database revealed the possible battery for the Samsung upcoming Tab S7, and the battery is expected to come with a 7760 mAh of a capacity, which is up from 7040 mAh cell which we have seen in Tab S6. The Tab S7 is expected to launch with an 11-inch of AMOLED display. In addition, Samsung is expected to bring a Tab S7 Plus with a larger 12.3-inch of a display. The plus size Tab S7 was spotted in a Bluetooth SIG certification bearing that the SMT976B model number. The listing confirmed the slate naming as well as the Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. According to speculation, the Tab S7 Plus will arrive with 9800 mAh of battery inside. Both models are rumored to have a Snapdragon 865 SoC at the helm and support a 5G network, at least in the US and Europe. There is no official word for Samsung about the Galaxy Tab S7 yet, but the tablet is expected to arrive in July or August this year. So overall, I believe that this is going to be one of the direct competitor with the iPad Pro because it is coming with the same 120Hz of a refresh rate inside as we have seen a promotion inside the iPad Pro. Maybe we see a closer Android tablet which will give a tough time to iPad Pro in the tablet market. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about that particular device, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.